Welcome back, my friends. I have a really super easy, super fun little flap pocket to make today. We are going to take a strip of paper, fold it, glue it, cut it, and make it into this cute little flat pocket. And we're going to add some embellishments. Okay? All right, here we go. Okay, I have my art journal here. That's just a regular book. I have prepped it with some, I don't know, funky green paint, and I didn't like that, so I put white paint over it. The page is 5 inches. So I have a strip of paper that I cut for a class. It's about 2.5 inches, and it's should be 12, yeah, 12 inches long. But what I'm going to do is measure out. Okay, can we just say, wow, I'm measuring something? Because usually I just kind of, anyway, if you've been here long enough, you know. So 5 inches is here, but I'm going to go just a tiny bit before 5 inches just because of the crease in the book here. All right, and what I'm going to do is this is double-sided paper, so that's helpful. I'm just going to fold it on that mark. So this short fold is going to be my pocket, and this long fold is going to be my fun arrow. So what we're going to do is I like it to stick out a little bit, so I'm going to trim it just about, I'm going to give it, all right, I'll try this again. I know. I'm going to trim it about 1 inch out. Okay, so I'm just going to trim this off. And to get these fun little arrows, you're going to fold this in half. And you're going to come up here and you're going to cut up toward that fold. No, you're not. Nope, you're not. And of course, do I have any more? Oh, for pity's sake. I do not. Oh, I did. All right, we're going to edit all that out. I'm going to mark it. All right, so here we go. Whoops, I forgot to cut this part. Now we can start. Okay, all right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take this top flap, I'm gonna fold it like this, loosely, give it just a little press. We're going to take our scissors, start at this bottom corner that's open, right? And we're gonna work up at an angle to our right. So start at that corner, and there you go. That is how you make your little banner. Oh, I love it. Okay, so to make the pocket, we're going to run some glue on the left, the bottom, and the right of this straight flap. And now we have a pocket. Okay. Here's how we're going to add some embellishment. Do I have my whole brush? I'm going to take a hole punch and I'm going to come in this way, right at the V here. Make a little hole punch. I'm going to add a little hole punch cover, a little reinforcer here, because sometimes tying ribbon on this tears the paper. Now I have some different ribbons here. And let's see if this one's long enough. Nope, I just want a little bit of a ribbon. So I'm just going to tie that into a knot. Okay, there's your knot. Here's what else I have for you. So you have your pocket now, right? You also have some area inside that you could add some blank paper, some solid color paper, just to put some writing if you like, or I have a box of stickers that I think would be fun to put like a little surprise in there. And I'm going to dig through here. That one's kind of cute, huh? I like that one. I also have some of these, and this is just a little bit smaller. I think I like that one. Okay. So I'm just going to take this off of here. Struggle is real. All right, so I got a little piece off of here, so I can unfold this. The struggle is real, my friends. I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to center it. And now, because this is fine if you want it to do this, but if you would like to hold this in place, we're going to make a really fun paperclip embellishment. So I have a little piece of, what is this? Oh my gosh. Wow. What is this called? Oh my gosh. Golly, man. So I have a little piece of burlap ribbon that I glued this little mushroom guy onto. And next, I'm going to take this leftover scrap that I used, that I cut for my cutting this off. This is me today. Yeah. All right. Oh, Lord, it has been a week. Okay, so I cut that to fit either end here. And what I'm going to do is take the short end of this paper clip, put it onto this, okay, on this back piece so that the longer one is sticking out. Then I'm going to glue both sides, the left and the right, of the burlap. And what you will have, ooh, you know what else we're going to put on here? So sometimes it's hard to put burlap, is really difficult to stick on sometimes. So don't get worried. Just put some more glue on there. See if you have a clip or something and you can just hold it in place for a little bit, or even something that's not your hands, because mine get sticky. And then we'll just hold it down for a little bit and it'll start to stick. Okay, then one other thing I'm going to do, isn't this pretty? I love this ribbon. I'll link it for you. I get it on Amazon. It's Sari ribbon. I'm going to take just a little bit. I'm going to twist it like this. Make it kind of into a V cross like that. And then I'm just going to staple it right onto this burlap. For real. Right onto the burlap. See how I made just like a little loop there? Just to add a little fluff. And now you have just the cutest way to put your paper clip on there. Or if you don't want to use it there, you can paper clip your pages and you'll know where it is when you close your book. Right? Oh gosh, I love these. I just think they're cute because you can put 1,000 different things on here. So just so you see how it works. See, that's the back. And then I catch that pocket and the flap. So guess what, friends? That was it today. I hope you enjoy it. Come back next week. I'm going to have another fun flap for our art journals, and we will continue making pretty things because that's what we like. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I will see you back.